and human body remains as it is. So the syllabus will not change. ये पहली बात हम लोग को बता दें. But then where does the difference come? There are certain differences. Differences come two places. One, methodology of teaching. Methodology of teaching. That is, letting students how they teach is very important. Second, and more important, is examination methodology. That is where India differs from other Eastern European countries or with China. तो ये बेसिक चीज लोगों को समझाना जरूरी है कि this is where the difference comes. Now where is the difference comes? The methodology of teaching. Normally in India and Bangladesh and Pakistan, like so-called हमारी जो so-called third world countries है, we are basically based on theory. We teach. I will recall something I used to go to Shadan Medical College to do some staff development program. तो मैं देख रहा था कि एक cardiology का professor was explaining to the students. He had put both his hands like this and said the human heart beats 80 times a minute. Now he is telling the student to visualize that this is a human heart and he is moving it 80 times. Then I was just watching, I was outside. Then he says if someone is in the AF condition, that is called as artery fibrillation condition, the human heart might either come down to 60 or it might rise to 120. Now this is how it's being explained. I don't know how they are doing it now, but in all abroad countries, which includes China, which includes all those Eastern Europe, Kazakhstan, Georgia, Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Armenia, whatever you call it, they all use advanced audio-visual technology for teaching. That's where the main difference comes. Audio-visual technology. In China, I have observed the same thing. When the professor will come into the class, the first thing he would do is he will put a pen drive or whatever it is. There's a huge screen at the back. The moment he will say that a human heart beats 80 times a minute, there will be a human heart there, right now, right there, and there will be a counter on one side and there will be a timer on the other side. And as it goes 60 seconds, the counter will show 80. So what is happening here is the students are hearing it and are watching it. Audio-visual methodology of teaching. And this is applicable to China as well as all the other Eastern European countries. So this is one methodology of teaching. Second and important is division of syllabus. Division of syllabus. Here in India, do you know which is what's the most important subject in medical sciences? Anatomy. Anatomy is the most vital subject in entire medical courses. In India, even today, anatomy is taught in the first session itself. There are 3 इतने मोटे-मोटे किताबें. Those 3 books पहले साल में ही anatomy पढ़ा देते हैं, which is not the right way to do. What China used to do and what Kazakhstan did is they divide subjects into different semesters. Anatomy will be divided into at least 4 years so that students don't get out of touch. I remember my own daughter who did MBBS here, she used to take the book and start ratna jise bolte, mugging up. You are going to become a doctor. After God, after Allah, after Bhagwan, anyone has the power on human beings, it is the doctor. So it is very important that the doctor understands what he's reading, not mug up what he's reading. So that is another difference between here and there. So syllabus division.